The National Electrical Code requires that refrigerators be connected to a dedicated outlet. However, it does not explicitly require a dedicated circuit. Refrigerator manufacturers typically recommend connecting refrigerators to a dedicated circuit, and there are several reasons why. Firstly, it prevents overloads. A refrigerator draws a significant amount of power when it starts up. Having a dedicated circuit helps prevent the circuit breaker from tripping due to overload. Secondly, it improves reliability. A dedicated circuit ensures that the refrigerator has a reliable power source, reducing the risk of interruptions. Thirdly, safety is increased, as a refrigerator operating on an overloaded circuit can pose a fire hazard. While providing a dedicated circuit may be more expensive than simply using an outlet on an existing circuit, it is generally considered a worthwhile investment for several reasons. Firstly, it protects the refrigerator, as a dedicated circuit helps protect the refrigerator from damage due to overloads or power surges. Secondly, it prevents inconvenience. A tripped circuit breaker can lead to spoiled food and inconvenience. Thirdly, it potentially meets code requirements, as in many jurisdictions, it is a code violation to connect a refrigerator to an outlet that is not on a dedicated circuit. When installing a refrigerator, it is recommended to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and provide a dedicated circuit. This is the safest and most reliable option for both the refrigerator and the electrical system. If providing a dedicated circuit is not feasible due to cost or other factors, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the existing electrical system can safely accommodate the refrigerator's power requirements. They can also provide guidance on the appropriate outlet to use. It's important to understand the difference between an outlet and a circuit. An outlet is simply the point where you plug in an appliance, while a circuit is the entire electrical pathway that supplies power to that outlet. A dedicated circuit means that the outlet is the only one on that circuit breaker. This prevents other appliances from drawing power from the same circuit and potentially overloading it. When considering whether to install a dedicated circuit for a refrigerator, consider the age and condition of the existing wiring. If the wiring is old or damaged, it may not be able to handle the additional load of the refrigerator. In this case, it is essential to upgrade the wiring and install a dedicated circuit. It's also important to consider the size of the circuit breaker. A typical refrigerator requires a 15 amp or 20 amp circuit breaker. If the existing circuit breaker is smaller than this, it will need to be replaced. When selecting an outlet for a refrigerator, be sure to choose one that is rated for the appropriate amperage. A standard 15 amp outlet is sufficient for most refrigerators. However, some larger refrigerators may require a 20 amp outlet. Check the refrigerator's specifications to determine the appropriate outlet. If you are unsure whether your existing electrical system can safely accommodate a refrigerator, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your electrical system and provide recommendations on the best way to install the refrigerator. Ignoring these recommendations can lead to electrical hazards and potential damage to the refrigerator. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for electrical installations. While it doesn't explicitly mandate a dedicated circuit for refrigerators, it does emphasize the importance of safety and preventing overloads. Following the NEC guidelines ensures that electrical installations are safe and reliable. Most refrigerator manufacturers provide detailed installation guides that specify the electrical requirements for their appliances. These guides typically recommend a dedicated circuit for optimal performance and safety. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations when installing a refrigerator. Overloaded circuits can cause a variety of problems, including tripped circuit breakers, damaged appliances, and even fires. It is crucial to avoid overloading circuits by distributing appliances across different circuits. A dedicated circuit for a refrigerator helps prevent overloads and ensures a stable power supply. Power surges can also damage refrigerators and other appliances. A dedicated circuit can help protect against power surges by providing a more direct and stable connection to the electrical system. Additionally, surge protectors can be used to further protect the refrigerator. In many jurisdictions, local electrical codes may require a dedicated circuit for refrigerators. These codes are designed to ensure the safety of electrical installations and prevent potential hazards. Check with your local building department to determine the specific requirements in your area. If you are planning to install a new refrigerator, it is a good idea to have a qualified electrician inspect your electrical system. They can identify any potential problems and provide recommendations on how to upgrade your system to meet the refrigerator's power requirements. This can help prevent future problems and ensure the safe and reliable operation of your refrigerator. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with electrical installations. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. When choosing an electrician, be sure to select one who is licensed and insured. This will protect you in case of any accidents or damages. It's also a good idea to get multiple quotes from different electricians to ensure that you are getting a fair price. Before any electrical work begins, discuss the scope of the project with the electrician and get a written estimate. This will help avoid any surprises later on. Make sure the estimate includes the cost of materials, labor, and any permits that may be required. Also, be sure to ask the electrician about their warranty policy. A reputable electrician will stand behind their work and offer a warranty on their services. This will give you peace of mind knowing that if there are any problems with the installation, they will be corrected at no additional cost to you. When the electrical work is complete, be sure to inspect it carefully to ensure that it meets your expectations. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask the electrician. They should be happy to explain the work they have done and answer any questions you may have. Finally, be sure to keep a copy of the electrician's invoice and warranty in a safe place. This will be helpful if you ever need to contact them in the future. Investing in a dedicated circuit for your refrigerator is a worthwhile investment that can provide numerous benefits. It can help prevent overloads, improve reliability, protect the refrigerator from damage, and meet code requirements. By following the recommendations of refrigerator manufacturers and consulting with a qualified electrician, you can ensure the safe and reliable operation of your refrigerator for years to come. In addition to the benefits already mentioned, a dedicated circuit can also improve the energy efficiency of your refrigerator. When a refrigerator shares a circuit with other appliances, it may have to work harder to maintain its temperature. This can lead to increased energy consumption and higher electricity bills. A dedicated circuit ensures that the refrigerator has a consistent and reliable power supply, which can help it operate more efficiently. The cost of installing a dedicated circuit can vary depending on the complexity of the installation and the location of the electrical panel. However, the long-term benefits of a dedicated circuit, such as improved reliability, safety, and energy efficiency, can outweigh the initial cost. When comparing the cost of a dedicated circuit to the cost of replacing a damaged refrigerator or paying for higher electricity bills, it becomes clear that a dedicated circuit is a wise investment. Furthermore, consider the value of preventing spoiled food and the inconvenience of a tripped circuit breaker. These are additional factors to weigh when deciding whether to install a dedicated circuit for your refrigerator. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that your refrigerator is operating on a safe and reliable circuit is also a valuable benefit. Ultimately, the decision of whether to install a dedicated circuit for your refrigerator is a personal one. However, by considering the factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision that is best for your needs and budget. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. They can provide expert guidance and ensure that the installation is done correctly and safely. Additionally, keep in mind that electrical codes and regulations may vary depending on your location. Be sure to check with your local building department to determine the specific requirements in your area. This will help you avoid any code violations and ensure that your electrical installation is compliant with all applicable regulations. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your refrigerator is operating safely and efficiently for years to come.